Didn't get none of that. Let's do it again, folks. Okay. Wow, I feel retarded now. Okay, gentlemen. One archer over here to take down this time clock tower. Now, 2 level 2 bombers and 11 level 6 archers. Cloaking. Now, as you can see, my boxer giants are about to take a fall shortly. And we got level 2 bombers still flanking. Now, over here, this barbarian comes out of the cut and wipes down. Bing, get out of here. She about to take some out, but no, no, no. Why are you still shooting at? Oh, okay. Bing, bye-bye. Oh, he's still going. He's still going. Still going. 9 seconds. Uh, uh. Yeah, now y'all take it.